I'm supposed to be leaving now.
It's all destiny, all of the things I need living inside me. I can see it, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside me. I can see it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Klaiyi. I think I'm gonna be doing this every time I do my intro. How do people really start off their YouTube channels? Because it's like, once I say it's your girl, Klaiyi, I do my intro. What else am I really supposed to say? Do I get straight into the video or like if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to the, I don't know what to call it, but hey, welcome. Go to work. I have like literally 10 minutes left before I have to leave. So today we're gonna do an wig unboxing video. Let me make sure I said that right, because I talk fast sometimes and it be sounding like gibberish. Today we're going to be doing a wig unboxing video. It's from Klaiyi Hair or Klaiyi Hair. I don't know how you say the name, but I'm an impulsive spender. Pretty sure I told you guys this already. So I was scrolling on either TikTok or Instagram, and I saw I've been looking for a curly wig for a while because I only use like straight wigs for the past year-ish. I saw this ginger colored curly wig online, and on top of that, it's not like the wavy, it's like a kinky curly hair wig. So we just gonna, you know, just get straight into it. So here's the box. Klaiyi wigs. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Alright, so this is inside of the box. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully it focuses, right? I'm not sure what this thing is at the bottom, but it's looking real cute. I'm gonna put my ponytail to the side. So we have this little bag right here. Wow, people usually don't give this much. Oh my gosh, this is a melting band. I've always wanted one, but I don't feel like buying one from the beauty supply store. Let me open it. I gotta make sure I'm not leaving late for work again. Wow, this is so cute. We do like, yeah, I like it already. Cause I use the elastic band, the black one that people be using to like sew. I think it's for sewing mainly. You guys ever use the elastic band for like? Used to be really skinny, right? I don't want to exemplify skinny, but I was skinny. That the pants that my mom used to buy for me, they didn't really fit me. They fit, but they did not fit. You know, I don't want to say fitted clothes, but stuff that doesn't make me look like I am just bones, you know? So I used to rip my pants, like cut slits on the side, on the inside of the pants, and put the elastic band inside of there so that it would scrunch up around my waist part, because the baggy was not it. This is a wig cap, and it's very thin. The other ones I usually use is very like thick or whatever, so this should make the install probably easier. I'm supposed to be leaving now. That's my alarm. Oops. Y'all, my Fashion Nova package is on the way. I'm doing my Fashion Nova haul soon. I'm getting my content in, guys. I feel so proud, for real. These are the lashes. They're cute. You know, I'll be honest, these lashes are cute, but I feel like even these lashes I have on now, sometimes I don't like them on myself, because it's like, I'm not gonna say the G word, the G that ends with O, but it just doesn't look right on me. It looks good on other girls, but it makes me look older than I am, and sometimes that's good, but like, I'm not trying to look old, and y'all know what I'm trying to say. What's this? What is this? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this is. A brush. Do we use brushes when we do wigs? I don't know what this is for, but it's really cute. This is really cute. I guess I should be showing you guys up close too, right? I don't know what it is, but it's really cool. Really cool. Okay, so now we're at the wig. Honestly, I didn't even know it was gonna be this long. I did not know. I did not know. Should I change the lightness on this thing? Or like, that's too bright? Or should I do it lower? That's too low. I think right here should be good, I guess. But yeah. It's a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig. I honestly don't remember how many inches I got. And sometimes wigs might be like the same density and curl pattern and length, and it just looks different, you know? But bro, when I put this on, it is so pretty. This is really pretty. It might be pre-plucked. I need to read the description again. But this is the wig. Is it focused? Wow. That's real clear lace. I just gotta bleach the knots and yo. It's so pretty. It has the usual wig smell or whatever, but it's so pretty. What? And then when you wet it, I'm excited. Like I gotta go to work, but I'm excited to put this on. So look at the curls. I'm probably gonna include what did I even just say? I'm gonna include a clip of other people wearing the wig and why I bought it. But this, honestly, this is better than what I thought I was going to receive, because this is probably the first time I've actually ordered from like straight from a hair company, because usually I get them from AliExpress and they come looking like the pictures, but sometimes the wig don't be like better than what you see online. If I just spit, sorry, but better than what you see online. This is real pretty. Wow, it's just weird talking to yourself, but this is, y'all can count how many times I said pretty. This is real pretty. This is real pretty. This is real pretty. I did not expect it to be this long. Y'all, I'm gonna eat this wig up. I promise I'm gonna eat this wig up. Because when I see stuff I like, I get emotional. Not like, I don't know if I'm like excited emotional or whatever. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna cry, but I don't ever cry. My eyes get teary though, but wow. I honestly can't wait till I'm actually like a hair influencer, because y'all are really living the life. Really. And I just wanna like, I love playing with my hair and I want to keep my natural hair out, you know, but it would be fun to be playing with wigs and promoting, and I want to make money too. I don't want to, of course I want to be a dermatologist, but at the same time I'm not going to speak too much on it, but I'd rather just like work for myself and work at my own pace type of thing, you know. I don't want to have to clock, well, they probably don't even clock in anyways because they get off salary. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but I don't want to have to get up and go to an office every single day. I do want to, but like certain things is not permitting me to, and I probably can if I push myself enough. But if you understand, you understand. Some people just don't want to stress themselves out their whole entire life. Like, I'm 19. Everybody says enjoy life while you can. I'm not trying to say that I don't want to go to school. Of course I want to go to school, but it's just like, it's stressful. The teachers don't care about you the way they swear they do. Some of them might be actually genuine, but they getting paid too. They're there to teach, and they give you what they can give you. But do most of them really care if you understand? No, not really. I don't like going to school and failing because I don't understand something or somebody's not teaching me the way that they should be. I like, example, when I was in, I think elementary, I was bad at math, but then I got to, is it middle school or whatever, from like 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I was on top of my work. I was in one of the top classes for those whole 3 years, okay? one of the top classes. They had 3, and we had, never mind, we're not gonna get into that, but we had 3 top classes. Moral of the story, I was the best inside of math. I don't know about English, but math was my freaking subject. I got to high school, I did geometry, however you say it, geometry. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. It was okay or whatever. I couldn't really understand the teacher. He was a great teacher, but I couldn't really understand him, but I was doing okay. Then I got to trigonometry. That teacher, he was a good teacher, but for me, no, he was not. In a way, I'm not trying to talk down on people, but it's like, if I can't understand that, you're not, you know. I don't want to get into too much detail and make people sound bad, but it's like, if I can't understand, then why am I here? I'm not trying to waste my parents' money going to school, and I'm not trying to waste my own money going to school. Like I said, I want to do it, but I'm not trying to waste money if somebody's not going to teach me correctly. Because why are you wasting my time? Why am I here? Anyways, I feel like I just said the same thing like 10 million different times, but it's like, y'all know, y'all wouldn't want y'all time wasted. I wouldn't want my time wasted either. So why do that? I want to work for myself and do things that I love. I want to do dermatology. I love dermatology. But in order to do that, I have to go through years of school, probably 12 or 8 years. 9 out of 10, I'm probably gonna end up doing it, maybe. But let's just say, hopefully, I get to wig influencing and promoting other brands, you know. Also, what I was gonna say is, I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Oh, I bursted. But this wig was real pretty. Real pretty. It's a real pretty wig. Nice packaging. Nice wig bands. Nice wig cap. And the colors are so cute. I feel like ginger and green go together so well. But yeah. Thank you guys for this wig. No, this is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money. But I'm excited to try it on, and I will film when I do install it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.